it's Yuki, and today I've got a new drawing tablet from XP Pen. Ta-da! This is Star 06C drawing tablet. Let's open the box. So this is the tablet. And we have here the USB cable. And the battery-free stylus pen. You have your user manual, and of course the warranty policy. They also have a thank you note. And this is the glove. So this is to prevent friction from your hand and the drawing tablet. Let's try it. There you go. This is also for sweaty palms. There has to be a sound. So next is the pen stand or the nib holder. This is how it looks like. Here it controls. This is also for the pen. You can put the pen. Or you can put it here. Let's open this one. So this also has different nibs. So if you want to change your nibs, here. Let's try opening and see what's inside.
And all you have to do is twist it. It's quite hard. Okay, finally. So as you can see, there are different nibs that you can choose from.
Okay, so let's fill this thing. There you have it, the unboxing of XP Pen Star 06C. Now, let's move on to testing.
So I've already plugged in my drawing tablet, downloaded the software and drivers from XP Pen website. As you can see here, there are choices you can choose from if you're a Mac user or Windows user. Now let's go to the pen tablet. So this is for you to customize your pen tablet. For example, we have here pen button settings. You can click here, no action, right click, middle click, pen and eraser, run the program, function key, and of course I chose pen and eraser. Next would be the pen pressure sensitivity. So you can choose soft or hard, and then we have mouse mode. And then next would be the working area setting for you to customize display mapping. So you have full screen, and then so that's the whole screen. But if you want to adjust, you can choose the monitor primary and drag this thing here. You can just drag it, and then let's go back to full screen and click OK. Now let's open Krita. This is actually my second time that I'll be using both Krita and my drawing tablet. The first time was when I downloaded Krita and tried it right away. So let me show you my first piece. I'm actually more into traditional arts and I use pencil, so it's black and white most of the time. But here I tried a little bit of coloring. Yeah, I really need to work on that. Now let's move on. So I'll be using pencil 1 first to see if it works for me. And as you can see, it's very soft. Second thought, maybe I should use a different pencil. This one's 4B. Okay, I think I'll settle with this one. This is pencil 2, and yeah, this is better. This is pretty much my first drawing tablet, so I don't think I'll be able to compare it with other tablets. Also, I'm still trying to get used to the feeling of using a tablet instead of paper or canvas, and adjusting can be a little bit overwhelming. But I can say as a beginner, I personally think this is a great tablet. It's easy to set up. Just after installing the software, I started drawing right away. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, write a comment below what you think, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you won't miss my videos. Thanks for watching!